David S in Florida. This is your LSCom LC995v2. Increased your filter capacitors for the voltage regulator from 1000 to 3300. Same thing with the input buffer filter, increased from 1000 to 3300 microfarad, 25 volt. Okay, there's your new 15 kilohertz wide filter. Alright, there's your upgraded first RF amp in the receiver. Okay, the radio's been tuned and peaked. Everything's been done, it's ready to go. Let me put the covers on it and I'll show you the output power. Okay, David, got the covers on it, but I don't have all the screws in the covers. I just got a couple in the back of it to hold them in place, and I'll get the rest of them put in there in just a second. I wanted to show you the receiver. We're on channel 38. Let me turn on my generator with 30% modulation, 100 microvolts, and there's the reading on the meter. Should be reading an S9. It's reading just a tad above it. Same thing with the sideband, just a tad above it. And that happens because when I do the alignment, I set the meter with the stuff that's in there, and then I do the improvements to the receiver, and I just like to see the difference between the way it was before and the way it is now. Okay, I'll go back in there and adjust those back down to S9, but I like to show the customers that the receiver improvements did improve the receive. Alright, let's turn this guy off. Get on the dummy load. Alright, let's take a look at the slugs. That's the RMS slug. That's the peak slug. They're both 100 watt slugs. Okay, meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. Alrighty, I'm on AM, channel 38. That's with RF power turned all the way up. That's 20 watts. Let me turn the RF power all the way down. You can see we're keying about 2 watts there. Alright, RF power all the way back up now. Let's see what we're doing on peak. Audio, hello, hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're reading on that bottom scale there. That's 60 watts right there, peak. Okay. Audio, hello, hello audio, audio 1, 2. You can see it goes over 60 watts peak on the AM. Let me switch back to sideband. You know what? I forgot to show you the RMS when I was talking on audio. Hello, hello, audio. So it goes up to about 22 watts RMS. All right, now let's do sideband. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1, 2. Almost 40 watts RMS, and audio about 54 watts peak on sideband. Okay. All right. Now, this switch here for your mode is the dominant switch. Okay. In order for this switch to work, this one has to be set to AM SSB. If the switch is in FM mode or PA mode, this ain't gonna make any difference. So make sure if you want to talk on AM or lower sideband or upper sideband, this switch has to be in the AM SSB position. Okay. The 10 kilohertz is for this little push-in guy right here that helps you pick up the skip channels. All right. And the 11 meters is on band E. Okay. And you see the output power. You see the clarifier where the lines are for the clarifier. Right there, and that's center slot. Okay. David, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.